Hi everyone, my name is Artyom. I'm currently living and working in Miami as a data analyst, and I'm super excited to introduce you guys to LangChain and to share some great news. I'm launching a simple course to help you learn it step by step. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or someone curious about AI, this course will guide you through building amazing AI-powered tools and applications using LangChain. It's a game changer for creating chatbots, personal assistants, and even digital workers that can handle repetitive tasks and much more. So let's dive in and see what makes LangChain so awesome. First of all, what is LangChain? LangChain is like a Swiss army knife for working with large language models. It's a super handy framework that helps you create AI applications that are modular, flexible, and easy to scale. It works with all of the cool stuff like OpenAI, GPT models, and other AI tools. You can also use it to build everything from chatbots to custom workflows that fit your needs. And the best part, it makes complex things much simpler. So you can focus on bringing your ideas to life. So why should you care about LangChain? Well, the demand for AI tools like chatbots, automated assistants, and creative apps is booming and unlikely to fade away in the nearest future. But building this can feel overwhelming because of all the fragmented tools and scaling issues. That's where LangChain shines. It gives you a single, easy to use platform to build and deploy advanced AI solutions. It's like having a superpower for creating the apps of your dreams without the headaches. So, what are the core features of the LangChain? What makes it stand out? So, first one that I wanted to mention is modularity. So, it breaks the tasks, the user tasks, into the smaller pieces. So it makes it much easier to mix and match the different components that this framework provides to us. It's much easier to build the applications from the reusable components on the platform. Another one is flexibility. It works with the popular tools like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and more. So you don't need to be stuck with just one option. And customization. You can create workflows adjusted to your specific needs, whether it's for your business, a project, or just for fun. And the last part is scalability. This part is very important, especially when you build applications for the real users. You want to make money from this, right? So that's important that your application can support the massive audience. And that's exactly what they're doing here. They're providing you features like the cloud integrations to handle big tasks. So in short, the LangChain makes it easy to turn AI ideas into reality. So what's new in the LangChain recently? The first one is there is more integrations. Now the LangChain can work with the latest models like GPT and Claude and even DeepSeek from China. There are better tools, so it's easier than ever to connect to the databases, CRMs, and proprietary platforms. The agent flows. So now teams can collaborate on multiple projects more smoothly with shared tools. The agents provide you the opportunity to create a team, the army of the digital workers that can automate most of your business tasks and significantly reduce the costs. And the last one is the edge deployment. So it just lets you more effectively run the AI apps directly on devices or in the resource limited settings, so you can deploy your apps anywhere you want. And these updates make LangChain even more powerful and fun to work with. So why LangChain can benefit your career or business, right? Why you should learn LangChain in the first place? LangChain is a fantastic way to boost your career or grow your business. So if you're a developer, it's a must-have skill to create smarter, faster, and more innovative applications. If you're a business owner or a business user, the LangChain can help you build the tools that save time, cut costs, and also impress your customers. By that I mean that your customers are more likely to stay with you, keep working with you, as you provide them much more value than ever using the LangChain. And with AI becoming such a big part of everything, knowing LangChain puts you ahead of the curve. And guess what? My course is here to help you to get there. To wrap things up, LangChain is a cool framework that simplifies AI development and makes it accessible to everyone. You don't have to be a serious developer to understand the process. Whether you want to build chatbots, streamline workflows, create agents, or create something new, LangChain is here to help you do that. And I'm thrilled to guide you through it in my course, and I can't wait to see the amazing things you will create. So let's start building a smarter future together.